up?
What's up, Logan? How's it going, man?
What took you guys so long?
Sorry, some old guy stopped us on the road.
Sucks that it's raining.
I know, man. Weather's supposed to clear up tomorrow.
The Earth is definitely flat too.
No, what do you mean there's no witnesses? There's astronauts on the moon. Yo, so, Carrie.
I like camping.
What are we doing tonight?
Hey, it looks like the rain's clearing up.
I don't know. Yeah, it might be.
I want to go hiking.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
We should go on a hike tomorrow.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be
Yeah, I
nice.
agree.
No. I feel like we
Hiking.
checked
No,
out
we should
forecast
hike.
before.
I agree
Right?
with Nolan. We should hike.
like we should go home. Bro, it's getting dark. I can't wait to sleep in that tent with 4 of us.
I'm
That'll
not
be
sleeping.
fun.
I'm going home tonight, man.
You're going home? It's a 3-hour drive. Just stay the night.
But man, like the weather, man. Like,
It's gonna clear up.
it's not clear up.
We'll go hiking tomorrow and fishing. That'll be a great.
I hear the river down there. It's got some good fish.
good
Alright.
trout.
Maybe I'll stay for the fishing, but I'm leaving before you guys hike. Hey, where you going, Logan?
Gotta go to the bathroom.
Hey, Logan's been gone for a minute, don't you think?
Yeah, we should maybe go check up on him.
He's fine. He's probably just answering nature's call. Forget that.
Grab a headlamp.
I'll be.
You guys coming or what? Come on, guys.
I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of scared.
It's fine. We'll find it.
It'll be alright.
I think this is where he was.
Guys, I think my headlamp's about to die. It's not turning on anymore. I think we should head back to camp and get batteries.
We need to find Logan.
Yeah, but we can't be stuck in here with just a torch. We're gonna get lost. We gotta head back.
You really want to do that?
We're gonna find him, alright?
Holy! We need to jump across. I don't think I can make it. Ah! Where's Dylan?
I don't know. I think he's still there.
Whatever, we're going.
We can't just leave Dylan and Logan there.
Go what's out there.
We have to go
Every man for
back.
himself.
We have to go back and save Logan and Dylan.
We can't.
We have to.
I'm not dying out there.
What happened to the kid that was so determined to find Logan?
It was different. We didn't see what's out there.
We have to go back and find Logan and Dylan. I'm going.
Noah, I'm coming with you.
We're friends.
My friends too.
Boys, you think they fell for that prank?
Oh yeah.
For sure.